Hi, I'm Melly Marion. Welcome to the closet. Today I'm doing something because I couldn't find a video on this. I looked and looked and looked and looked about how to tack down applique on the Cutie frame. I have this humongous quilt I'm working on, my sister's quilt. It's 108 by 108 inches. It's huge. So I have in each of these dark green blocks, I have circles, and I need to tack them down before I free motion quilt in them. So I was looking for a video how to tack down, because this was an afterthought. This was not something that I planned. This kind of organic quilting that I do. So I wanted to do this on the Cutie frame. If you decide, after you get your quilt pieced and sandwiched and it's up on the frame, and you go, I want to put an applique here. Okay, well, you can. It's super easy. You just have to take the time and have the tools and just get it done. So this is the way I got these circles tacked down. I hope this helps you in your quilting journey. Have a great quilting day. Enjoy the video. All right, I'm using the Margaret Solomon Gunn Arabesque OG 6x4 outer to help me guide this around this. I'm also using the Leah Super Slider because it's got gentle curves. That also helps, like in areas like this. Whatever works best for you. What I'm doing is I'm trying to get just the very edge of this applique to tack it down. I've got mine at 12 inches, stitches per inch. I'm regulated precise, so that's what I'm doing. Let's see if this works. Let me see if I can turn the light off. I don't think that helps. No. Okay, I'm going to leave the light on. Maybe we'll get a better view this way. Well, this way. Okay. You can see what I'm doing. This is a tack down video. I have used my basting gun in the center of each applique. I did 1 or 2 tacks to hold it on. And it's a huge quilt. It's 108 inches. So I have quite a few of these circles in the dark squares. So I centered them and they're there, but I need to tack them down. And then I'll do the feathers inside. But this is how I tack down applique. It's easier to do it on the frame. Because I didn't do it as I pieced, because I came up with this idea afterwards. This was a post-piecing idea. It was really kind of organic. Anyway, this is how I tack down. Oh. Let's see here. Do I have my threads? Let me bring up my... Oh, I do. Okay, I've already clipped them. Okay. What I do is I keep, this is 1/4 inch, okay? This is 1/4 inch. So I have to keep the edge of this ruler less than 1/4 inch if I want it to be inside, just inside. So it's less than 1/4 inch away so that it's actually inside the applique slightly. Okay. I'm going very slow. And I have it in needle down position. And because this fabric is quite busy, the thread does not even show. It's a light green thread. I just want to make sure. So I'm right on the edge. And again, I'm just using these rulers to get a smooth line. Otherwise, I might jiggity jag all over the place. As you can see, I'll show you at the end how nice it looks. So you get a really nice tack down. I'm just taking it slow. It's a very smooth line. It look like I just, you know, did it that way. Little do they know. Almost went off, but didn't. Okay. And it's okay if it's a little puffy inside, because when I do the actual free motion quilting on the inside, it'll give it some, I'm not real upset about that. But see, this is looking really good. If you can see this, it's real close, real consistent. I like it. So using these rulers really helps tack down applique. And I like the process. It's nice on a Sunday morning to just, you know, hang out on the frame. I've had my coffee. I don't know how many of you drink coffee, but it is a must in this house. On a Sunday morning. There we go. And it's nice and quiet in the house. Let's try this one. This arabesque is really nice. Let me see here. Let's see. Oh yeah, this. Yeah, there. See? Look at that. I'm just using the edge right here. It's coming along the edge. I can see that it will follow along the edge. This area right here on the ruler, this area right here, just about that much, you know, is what I'm using, and it just works really well. Just make sure that I'm not going to get any tucks in there. And sew over a couple times. That's it. Done. Okay. Let's just bring my bobbin up and cut it, snip it, and I'll show you what this looks like. Turned out quite nice. Okay. Here it is. It's all tacked down. Right here at the edge. And again, I'm going to be doing feathers, an internal feather, and then an outer feather, circle feathers on here. But that's how I tack down my applique on the Cutie frame.